Welcome to the OndeLight Delivery Panel. To get started, users need to sign up, enter their phone number and name, which they can update or log out of any time. Next, they select a pickup location. If it's a frequent address, they can save it for future orders. Then they enter the drop-off location. If needed, they can add a short description with special instructions, package details, or any other important notes. Users can also schedule deliveries in advance by selecting a preferred date and time. A map view shows both pickup and drop-off points, allowing users to double-check all the details before confirming. Below, users can choose the tariff plan that best fits their needs. For even faster access, users can add the panel to their home screen, making it easy to place new orders with just a tap. Once everything is set, the order is placed, and a driver will handle the delivery as quickly as possible.